Sadly, on July 13th, 2026, Sam Neill has passed away at the age of 78. If you don't know, Sam Neill did have cancer. From what I know, he did beat it, so it feels kind of sudden that he would die right afterwards. This is, of course, sad news. If you don't know, Sam Neill plays Alan Grant in Jurassic Park. He plays a bunch of other roles. I know him from Jurassic Park, though. Jurassic Park has been a huge influence on my life, and one of my favorite movies, maybe my favorite movie, and Alan Grant has always been my favorite character. I truly hope that Sam Neill passed away peacefully, maybe surrounded by friends and family and the people in his life, but it's always still sad to see him go. My name's GRJ, and I'll see you later.